Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my USD JPY analysis. If you have watched my previous video of USD JPY, you know about the regular bearish divergence on daily time frame, and we believe that our team of technical analysts believe that the retracement should be at least 30% of recent swing up from this point to this point. So this 30% is 108.023. So we'll place our TP at 108.023 plus 2-3 extra pips plus a spread. So it will be something around 108.05. Now coming back to half an hour time frame. As you already know that Ichimoku cloud works as a resistance when price is below this. So price was already below this and below this Ichimoku cloud. Previous trade was also sell position that was successful, and then price moved to the upside gradually and retraced back to the Ichimoku cloud, and then the very first line of the cloud worked as a resistance, and prices started falling. When price started falling, I was waiting for a bigger magnitude than the magnitude of previous fall. For example, here it was a fall of almost 13 pips, here it was a fall of almost 12 pips, but price had not continued to the downside. That's why I wanted a fall with a magnitude bigger than at least these previous movement, and I wanted to see at least 15 pips downward movement to confirm the bearish signal. So one indication was this reversal right from the Ichimoku cloud. Another indication is that the price has fallen more than 15 pips already, and this half an hour candle is going to be completed within a minute. This is 3:29 New York time, so within a half an hour this will be completed. So our criteria on half an hour time frame has been fulfilled, and I have placed my sell limit at 108.64. I believe market will retrace to the upside a little in the next candle, and my sell limit will be activated. Now let's talk about the conditions that market should meet on 1 hour time frame. So all the criteria on 1 hour time frame was already met by the market, and we are still in the downtrend because moving average crossover took place here, and still the blue line is below the red line. RSI is still below 50, so it is already in the downtrend, and you already know the regular bearish divergence. So there are so many technical factors which are supporting our sell position idea. Now let's talk about the SL and TP. SL obviously my SL in this trade will obviously be above this Ichimoku cloud, and I'll not just place SL, rather I'll monitor the market, or someone from our team will monitor the market for a 4-hour candle closing above this Ichimoku cloud. So even if price will go above Ichimoku cloud, it can return back. For example, you can see what happened here. Price went above Ichimoku cloud, penetrated above the upper line, returned back. Same thing happened here and here. To avoid getting stopped out in such kind of price behavior, we have to rather wait for a 4-hour candle closing of this. But we will not see the we will not plot the Ichimoku cloud on 4-hour. We will rather see a 4-hour candle closing, and we will come back to see on half an hour whether or not price stays above the Ichimoku cloud. So this is how we will figure out to exit the position if market goes to the upside. So our number of pips on the risk in this trade will be something around let's calculate from 108.64. it will be something around 16 pips, even if for our candle will close even more to the upside, maybe something around here. So our SL will be something around 20 pips in that case. So 20 pips is approximately max approximately the maximum number of pips that we are risking on the trades. Now let's compare the reward. So I already told you that we are expecting at least 30% retracement to the downside. So our reward from 108.64 is going to be, let's calculate this. Let me plot this level on half an hour as well. so we will calculate it on half an hour. All right, so let's go back to half an hour time frame, and this is the 30% retracement line. So from 108.64, this is going to be 60, almost 60 pips, minus 2-3 extra pips, and minus the spread, so almost 57-58 pips. So our risk is 20 pips max, our reward is 57 pips. This trade is looking great, and there is no significant events or news from Japan or USA that may impact this trade in upcoming days of this week. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has already spoken today, and I believe he is not going to speak something very significant and very different from what he spoke today. So I'm not expecting anything surprising tomorrow in his speech, and there are no other news. So that's all about this trade in short. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching, and if you want to comment, comments on YouTube are disabled, but you can go to our website and you can go to forex analysis page of our site. You can log in there using your Google or Facebook account for free, and you can comment. That's all. Thanks.